Hello everyone, myself V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. Today we are discussing about the basic elements in HTML. The foremost elements are tags. The objectives. Here we are discussing about the heading tags, paragraph tags, anchor tags, fonts, and div tags, text formatting tags. HTML is a markup language and makes use of various tags to format the content. These tags are enclosed in between angular braces. Here, the heading tags. Any document start with a heading. You can use different types of heading tags from H1 to H6 in HTML. Here the example H1 to H6. So here we are having one attribute called align. Those alignments are left alignment, right alignment, or central alignment. Example for HTML. Here we are declaring the HTML, then header tag we are giving the title as heading tag, and body color we are giving as yellow, and text is blue. Then H1 align left alignment. Here we are giving this is the heading 1, H1 size, and H2, and so on. H6. Finally we are closing the body and closing the HTML. And next one, paragraph tag. The paragraph tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should go in between an opening tag P. This one is the opening tag, and closing with /P. /P is the closing tag. Here the attributes align left, right, center, or justify alignments. Breaking, line breaking tag. Beer is line breaking tag. Whenever we are using the line breaking, it starts from the next line. This tag is an example for an empty element where you do not need opening and closing tags. Anchor tag. The anchor tag defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another page. The most important attribute of the anchor tag element is the href attribute, which indicates the hyperlink's destination. Here the example, a href of URL, we are presenting URL address here, then target as _self, example Google. Attributes are href, these are URL, and targets are _blank, self, parent, top frame name, which specifies the open link document, where we are opening the link document. This is the example. Here the HTML body href target underscore self here underscore blank parent. If you are giving as parent in my page, we are giving it. Font tag. The font tag specifies the font face, font size, and color of text. Here color RGB. Here we are giving the values from 0 to F. It gives the colors names, specifies the color of the text, face, font family, and size. Number specifies the size of the text. Div tag. The div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. The div tag is used to group block elements to format them with CSS, cascading style sheets. Alignment left, right, center, justify. And then text formatting tags. Here the text formatting tags are, we are already discussing about the headings, then bold or strong, italic, underline, strikeout. Strikeout means we are striking the text. The page displays the text which is struck off by a line. Pre-formatted text and typewriter text, big, small, subscript, superscript, and center. These are the text formatting tags. Thank you.